Hi everyone, my name's Austin.
And I'm Jed, and we are here to tell you about an exciting opportunity coming March 2nd, 2017 to the Grand Canyon University Arena.
We are a community of Grand Canyon University students and faculty collaborating to create TEDx Grand Canyon University, which is an independently organized TED event. Now, if you didn't know, TED is a global platform that allows individuals to share ideas word spreading, and now it's coming right here to our backyard in Phoenix, Arizona.
We also have a great team of 11 incredibly hardworking and committed student managers who all have a passion for leadership, entrepreneurship, and the creation of something bigger than themselves. So, what's the purpose behind organizing such an event? First, to foster a spirit of student empowerment. Second, to bring GCU and the city of Phoenix together as a community. And third, to help people find their purpose.
Now, TEDx Grand Canyon University is hallmarked by two main events, our main event and the X-Trials. Committees from each college saw a surplus of speakers from 7 core knowledge colleges on campus to audition to speak at the main event. The X-Trials will allow the GCU student body to help select 20 speakers for the TEDx main event. And guess what? It's open to the public, so get your tickets while they last.
The main event will be held on Thursday, March 2nd, 2017. With thousands of forecasted attendees, this event will include dynamic speakers, interactive activities, food trucks, and an opportunity to explore and appreciate everything that the TEDx Grand Canyon University community has to offer.
TEDx Grand Canyon University is a 501c3 nonprofit. So what that means is we really need your help. Putting on such a fantastic event requires funding, and you can help make this an incredible event through ticket sales and sponsorships.
To sponsor with TEDx Grand Canyon University is to create a partnership that'll last for years to come. TED is a global name, and to be associated with it will not only look great for any brand, but it will also show your support in what GCU and their student body are producing.
We are also looking for volunteers in areas of operations, finances, marketing, project planning, and so much more. So let us know how you can help, because absolutely no contribution is too small.
Visit our website for volunteer opportunities and tickets, and also be sure to check out our social media for updates.
We can't wait to see you there.